Hello beautiful people, welcome to Impulpable. This is a small video on Introduction to C Programming Language. Introduction to C Programming Language. C Programming Language was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at Bell Laboratories. C Programming Language contains all features of ALGOL, BCPL and B. It is said that C language is the mother of programming languages. C is the base for the programming. If you learn C, you can easily grasp the knowledge of other programming language that uses the concept of C. Compiler. C is a compiled language. A compiler is a special tool that compiles the written program and converts it into the object file which is read by computer. There are many compilers available online. 1 Clan compiler, 2 Mint GW compiler, 3 Portable C compiler, 4 Turbo C, etc. You can download a compiler from many different websites. A few are mentioned in description below. And some compiler provide the feature required to both C and C++ programs full. Syntax of C program. Header. Hash includes Studio H. Main. Variable declaration. Int. A. Equal to 5. Body. Printf %d a. Return 0.
Explanation of syntax. Let us understand the syntax. First, header file. It is a file that contains function declaration and micro definition for C in build library function. Example. Hash include less than studio.h more than. Second, main parentheses. Main function is the starting point of execution of every function. Third, variable declaration. Before we use variable, they need to be declared. Syntax. Data type, variable name. Fourth, body. Body of the function starts with flower bracket and ends with flower bracket. It refers to the operations that are performed in the functions. It includes most of the things, such as arithmetical operation, printing, sorting. Example. To print hello world is printf hello world semicolon. Fifth. Return. This statement is used to terminate the execution of a function and transfer the result to calling function. Okay, now let us write a program to print your name. So before we write a program of printing your name, we need to know about some basic things. Printf message semicolon. Printf is used to display output. Whatever is written between double quotes is displayed in output. CLRSCR semicolon. This is used to clear the screen soon after the program is once run. GETCH semicolon. It is used to hold the output screen. So let us now write a program in IDE. I use Turbo C7 compiler. Here it is. Let us open it with a double click on it. Now you can see a blue screen. Let me just write program and show how to compile and run it. So write main both parentheses. Enter. Follower bracket open. Enter. Printf double quote, your name. As my channel name is Impulpable, I'm printing it. Double quote semicolon. Semicolon is important to end every statement written in the body of the program. Okay, now press enter. Flower bracket close. And as we have not added header files to it, we need to save it before we compile it. So click on File, then click on Save As. Enter the name you want to save it as. I will like to save it as 1. And after entering the name, always type .c. And then OK. Then click on Compile, on top. Then click Compile. So the box is showing 0 errors, that means you can run it now. Press any key, and once again press any key. Now click Run on top, again click Run. As you can see, the screen is just blinking. So to hold the screen, type GETCH bracket and semicolon. Right above the flower bracket. So now press Run and again Run. Now you can see Impulpable written 2 times on the screen. Press any key to go back to the program. It is because you have ruined it before also. So to over it, and print your name only once. Type CLRSCR 2 brackets, semicolon. Right below the flower bracket. Now again run it. Run. As you can see the name is displayed only once. To close the screen, press any key. Them to close the compiler, press Alt plus X. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe and like. If you feel satisfied with this style of teaching, please comment if you want me to continue with my teaching. If you got any queries, let me know in the comment box or email me at impalpablec@gmail.com or direct message me on Instagram. I'm _palpableC.